Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to create a file in Linux. There's this guy, I made a tutorial on how to do what PHP. The video shows how to create what phpMyAdmin. So but now one of the guys here, he commented on my video and said I don't have the php.config file in my folder, so and I'm not able to create a file in that folder because of my admin restrictions. And I told him here, you have to log in as root. Then he told me that for me I only have one login in my Kali Linux, which is root. Is there a way I can create that file from terminal and then save it there? Yes. Okay, what we're gonna do now, we're going to create this same file what he's talking about, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna create in a different folder, since he wants the exact file to be created. So I want us to try and get some things here. Let's see, we want to close most of the tabs we have here, and we want to see which folders we want to use. If you go to this folder and you go to, maybe you go to computer, then you look for etc, then you look for let me say Apache 2, then you can look for in config, whatever folder you want to create a folder called config. But then I'm just navigating to that folder because this guy said he cannot create that file, but I'm gonna go to any folder I want to. For instance, we're gonna go to my documents, we go to a folder called ads, so we want to create that here. So for his I want him to know, or anybody to know who wants to do that. I'm not going to go to any folder which is not this folder, because there are many files. But anyway, if you want to go there, you can see, if you want to see this folder, to go to this folder, you can click that folder. If you in this folder, you can right click and say open in terminal. So when you open in terminal, it gives you this is where you're going to this, it's called /var, then inside var. But then you might want to go to libraries, you click there. You might want to go to Apache 2, you click there. You might want to go to config, you click there. So to get that URL, you just click the inside this folder. When you want to create something in here, you say open in terminal. So it simply means you're trying to get this URL. You get me? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say you open a new tab. So if you want to do something in here, you can see in this folder where we are. So I'm gonna create something there. I'm gonna say, I'm already sudo, but you have to say sudo, then you say touch. Then I'm gonna create that this folder. I put this file, I create that file, then I say enter. When I say enter, you can see I've created this file called called phpMyAdmin.config. You can see it came like straight here, but then you can open that file. There's nothing in that file. What you can do, you can type in those codes in there, the codes you want, then you save. But if it doesn't give you also some it might not give you some permission to write on it sometimes, then you can say sudo, because you can see we in the folder here, exactly in this folder, in that folder. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open that thing, that file, using the vi. Some people use nano, but I use vi a lot. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna see, since we're in here, so you're gonna say cd. No, we already in there, we can't cd, we can say sudo. I'm using sudo because most people, they are not sudo, but I'm not supposed to use sudo, because if you see this hashtag, just know you sudo already. Sudo vi, then I'm gonna put this file because we inside there. So I'm gonna open that file and say yes. Okay, you can see I'm in that file already. So that file doesn't have nothing. In case I have to write something in there, you can see I'm gonna say, if I have to write in there, so I'm gonna click escape, then I click I, then I start. It's gonna give me a chance to type. So I'm typing in there, I'm say HTML, then I come out here, say enter, then I say body, whatever I want to write in here, body. For instance, I can go to the internet and ask for Google config phpMyAdmin config Linux content file. I would say file anyway. I want to get the content there, the content in that. So some people, they can give you this content, sometimes you might not get it. I wonder if I'm gonna get it. I didn't want to type a lot, so that you guys, you can go to Google and get that the content from that file and make sure it matches with what we have to use. I don't get nothing here much. I don't get it. I can try here. If I get it, I'm gonna be lucky. Okay, I don't think this is the file. Doesn't look like this output and stuff, and reading whatever. I believe this is the file content. It looks like this, because this one say open you say open phpMyAdmin, then config.ini whatever. This could be the file, though I'm using another file which is gonna be .config.admin. Okay, even if it's not the file, but I believe it could be the one. I can copy this content, then I go okay, this is the file. Okay, open the file. It is what http config whatever. You can see, I believe this is the this could be one of it, and two fine lines, this line whatever, then you can see. Okay, I'm gonna get whichever. Let me see. Okay, this is the config file. Okay, that's something else. Apache, that's something else. Guys, don't worry about that. I'm gonna get anything, because we didn't come to do that. We came just to create, to show how to create, but I have to get the exact information what you have to put into that config file. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the information I copy there, then I'm gonna delete this, and I delete this, and I delete this, and delete this. Then I'm gonna come here and I try to paste. Wow, I can't. Let me see, how do I paste in VI? I don't know. Let me see. Control. Let me delete this. Control. Did I copy anyway? But anyway, you can even open it here and save paste. You can paste that there and save after doing that. But anyway, I wanted us to use VI. So since we on VI, I'm gonna escape. We put already the content here using just a normal text part, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna escape that and say Q that. Okay, I'm gonna say escape shift. Okay, I'm gonna see Q force Q, then we're gonna say shift force, then we say enter. When we enter, okay, we can see that okay, the file is fine because we copied the information is there. So we want to view the file and see if what we did is there. We click here and say sudo vi that file. You're gonna see the information you put in the file is there already. I say enter. You can see this is the information you find in that file. You can see what I was talking about. So, but this, mind you, this could not be the exact information we need to be in that config. In the previous video, I showed everything. So if you want to know what is in this file, there's a video I made on how to install. I guess it's better I show you the video here. This is the video. You can go to to YouTube and search how to install phpMyAdmin in Kali Linux 2020. So that is gonna show you the video from Azania tutorials. So that video is the one you're going to watch, then you get that information into that file. Anyway, I've showed you guys how to create a phpMyAdmin config file using a terminal. So we managed to do that because the brother said he could not create that file. So now we know that we have that file. You can see this is the file, and this file is already in here, and I can delete it because I don't need that. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna show you also how to create it if you have all the rights anywhere you want. So I'm gonna push that to trash, and I can go to anything, any folder, and I do this. Let me go to this videos. There's a video 2110 10. Okay, this is one of the videos I'm going to delete. I don't need the video. Okay, so I'm going to go to music. I didn't want to create that. Downloads, my documents, desktop, home. Okay, I'm going to go to music, and I should cd to music. When I cd to music, then okay, I'm in music now. I'm gonna come here and say new folder. I don't want a new folder. I just say open terminal. In the folder where you want to create something, just say open terminal, then you say touch. Some people use touch, others use other commands, but touch is so easy for me. Then you say, just paste the file you want to create. You say, look how it's gonna come on the same time. When I say enter, you can see it came straight. This is the file here. Remember, this is a new file. There's nothing on this file, so you can open the file, then you paste all the information you want to paste in. So anyway, you can also create that file using Notepad, then you save it in there. You get me? Yeah. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. This video I specifically made it for the brother here down who commented he wanted to know you how to create a file in using in Kali Linux using a terminal. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I hope this helps, and if you want any tutorial, please tell us in time, then we're gonna create it for you as we did create this one for the brother. So look, he sent a request 3 hours ago, but now we just made it in the same day. So I hope it's gonna benefit him. So if he has any problem also, it's gonna tell us. I didn't even show you how to do this. You just click on something else. Just click on Notepad, you open Notepad, then you create that file. If you want to create that file, you just say no, you just just create that file, whatever you say. Then you say Ctrl S. When you say Ctrl S, you can navigate to each and every folder as long as you wrote. Then you say, I'm gonna go to the documents, then I can say put this folder. I can put paste whatever I want to paste here. Then I say save. Okay, that is saved. You can see this is the file here. It has been saved in documents. So if I go to documents, I can get it there. You can see that file is there. Guys, yeah, those are the two ways I've managed to show you how to create. Some people use cut, some use touch. Can we do cut anyway? Maybe we can do that before we close the tutorial. It could help somebody. We're gonna go to cd to music. Let's go to music. I did delete that file. Let's use touch cut. We're gonna use say cut, then we put that what we want, and we say enter. And no, we didn't. No, cut does not work. Not touch. Yeah, touch works. Cut does not work. There's another command which you can use to create a new file. I forgot it, but anyway, no, you can cut the file, I'm sorry, after creating that file. You get me? So for instance, let's do this. Okay, no, let's do this. We touch is there, then after we do this, yes, we can cut the file. So cutting the file, you can cut the file. Cut has a lot of things anyway. So but what I wanted to show you, you can use touch cut. You can cut the file and stuff. I don't know much about it, but I know you can cut the file which is already created. That's why it did not show us any error here. When we did cut, it said no such file on the directory, but when we cut after creating it, there it showed us that that is there. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe.